If you like gratuitous video of the Watkins Glen Gorge, today's vlog is for you. It's Wednesday. We're going on a hike later today. So we had eggs, sausages, hash browns, and some muffins. So we have enough energy later on. Pretty lazy morning, but we're gonna go hike the Watkins Glen Gorge. Started at 10:40. It's now 12:05. Walked quite a bit, saw some great sights. Hope you enjoyed the footage of the gorge. Now that it's afternoon, let's go back to the campsite. Dan wants to score some hot dogs. We finished up lunch, then we did a little bit of relaxing. Now we're headed into town to do some shopping. Did I say earlier shopping? I guess when I mean shopping, I mean ice cream. Mission accomplished. Look at this. This is a ticket. We get to drive the Hyundai on Watkins Glen. Woo! 4:30. We'll be staging. All right. Back to the car. There's our Hyundai down there, an SUV, and we're gonna drive with all those little convertibles.
Race car daddy. Race car driver at heart. We went 60, 70, maybe 80, don't tell anybody, but man, the Hyundai did really well. That was a ton of fun. You should do this, 30 bucks, well worth it. Check it out, been there, drove that. Okay, now we're cooking pizza for dinner on the grill. We'll see how this works. I have aborted Mission Grill Pizza. See these vents right here? That lets out too much heat so it doesn't bake the pizza inside the grill. I declared defeat, so we put the pizza in the oven in the Lance. What do you think of the pizza that we made tonight? You want to show us the crust? We will try again. We will not accept defeat. Edible though. Edible. Yeah, not bad. All right, dinner's done, dishes are done. Dan and Pam are inside getting ready for bed. How about that? Watkins Glen Gorge, Watkins Glen International, fun-filled day. All right, until tomorrow, see you later. We have a pizza cutter. We never cook pizza in the trailer, but we have a pizza cutter. What?
We have a pizza cutter in the trailer. Yep.